How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove suggested on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove suggested on Messenger, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Messenger application. Let's say that you just try to tap the search option and then you'll be able to see a list of suggested people from the bottom which you might not want to see. So how do you hide the suggested people? To hide them is pretty much very simple. Just tap the three lines option over here and then tap the gear icon. That's going to take you to the settings page, and then once you're here on this page, what you want to do is simply scroll, look for privacy and safety, and then tap on it. Here you'll find hidden contacts, and as you can see it says hide people from your suggested contacts. So this way, actually, if I select here, I can select a number of people that I want to hide from my suggested contacts. So I can tap the plus icon here. I can simply choose to select this to profile, and I can select hide contact, and this profile will not appear on my suggested feed. This way you'll be able to remove suggested on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.